Hey everybody, welcome back. It's like, I know what I want to say, but the way I'm feeling is pretty not so great. I have this beautiful field of red blooms in front of me, and it's filled with butterflies and hummingbirds. Did you hear that? And so I'm still smiling. Let me turn around so you can see it. See all the red flowers? It's kind of hard to see unless you really look for the flowers. Anyway, I'm standing in front of or behind this tree, depends on how you do the math, but I've got a little bit more of an uphill trek to go. I've been trying to spend as much time as I could in the shade. I actually felt nauseous a while ago, which I know is a symptom of heat exhaustion. I'm normally pretty used to the exposure. I've definitely downed a lot of water. I think that the reason I'm suffering from heat exhaustion is because I'm eating differently over the past few days than I normally eat. Normally I'm a pretty avid consumer of sugars and all kinds of other things. And like with stopping any other thing that we're addicted to, it can cause an array of symptoms. So I don't know which the nausea was attributed to. I know that I've been craving sugary substances to an extreme degree. I even asked a couple of rangers if they had a stash of sodas. Unfortunately, they didn't. But I do know that I can find them, not the rangers, the sodas. I know that I can find plenty of sweet drinks down at the parking lot. In fact, I'm right by a store there. So anyway, I just thought I'd record this for documentation purposes. So I hope you've enjoyed the journey so far. I'm trying to bring it to you as live as can be. In other words, without any kind of edits. And I hope that you're watching and enjoying the journey with and without my insight that sometimes is not just 100% rainbows and rainbow pops. Anyway, till next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff.